Ever felt stuck in a problem that seems to have no solution? You're not alone. We've all been there, mired in a quagmire of challenges that seem insurmountable. It's a universal experience, especially in the workplace. But what if we told you there's a unique way to break free from these shackles? A way that involves thinking outside the box, sparking your creativity, and transforming the way you tackle problems? Intrigued? Stay with us as we unravel the secret to enhancing your problem-solving skills by thinking creatively. It's a common mistake to think that creativity is limited to artists or inventors. But let's debunk this myth right now. Creativity is not a magical talent bestowed upon a select few. It's a skill that we all possess and can cultivate. A lawyer drafting a contract, a teacher designing a lesson plan, or a software engineer coding a new app, all these tasks require a creative approach. Many people believe that their profession doesn't demand creativity. They couldn't be more wrong. Every job, every task, every problem we encounter can be tackled creatively. It's about thinking outside the box, challenging the status quo, and finding new ways to approach old problems. We've also all heard the phrase, leave your emotions at the door. However, emotions are a significant part of creativity. They fuel our passion, drive our curiosity, and enable us to connect with others on a deeper level. So, ready to unleash your inner creative genius? Let's move on. Ever heard of Divergent Thinking? It's your new best friend. Divergent Thinking is like a secret weapon in the world of creative problem solving. It's a method that allows you to explore many possible solutions rather than just one. Imagine you're in a maze. Instead of following one path until you hit a dead end, Divergent Thinking encourages you to create multiple pathways, increasing your chances of finding the exit. This tool works by encouraging you to generate a multitude of ideas. Some may seem outlandish or even absurd at first, but this process allows for out-of-the-box thinking, often leading to innovative solutions. It's about creating an idea sandbox where you can play, build, and even tear down concepts until you find the perfect solution. Remember, the goal here isn't to find the right answer immediately, but to open up a universe of possibilities. With Divergent Thinking, you're about to see problems from an entirely new perspective. Now you may ask, what's in it for me? Well, the benefits of creative problem solving are manifold, and they go beyond just finding a solution. Firstly, it's about efficiency. By thinking outside the box, you can discover innovative shortcuts and strategies that can save you and your team valuable time. Secondly, it enhances your ability to handle complex tasks. With creative problem solving, you're not overwhelmed by the magnitude of a challenge, but intrigued by its uniqueness. Thirdly, there's the thrill of overcoming obstacles in ways you've never thought of before. This not only boosts your self-confidence, but also makes your job more enjoyable and satisfying. Finally, creative problem solving is a highly sought-after skill in today's dynamic workplace. It sets you apart as a strategic thinker, capable of turning challenges into opportunities. By thinking creatively, you're not just solving problems, you're growing professionally. It's time to turn knowledge into action. You've embarked on an insightful journey with us today, exploring the power of creative problem solving in the workplace. Now the ball is in your court. It's no secret that the most successful individuals in any field are those who can think outside the box, who can turn a challenge into an opportunity. And you too can be one of them. Start by engaging your divergent thinking in everyday situations. Don't just follow the status quo, instead question it. Look for alternatives, look for improvements. The more you practice, the more natural it will become. Also, don't be afraid to fail. Remember, every failure is a stepping stone towards success. It's through trial and error that we learn, grow, and ultimately innovate. We'd love to hear about your journey. How are you implementing these techniques in your day-to-day activities? What challenges are you facing? What successes have you had? Feel free to share your thoughts, experiences, and questions in the comments section below. We're in this together, after all. And if you found this video helpful, why not share it with others who might also benefit from it? Knowledge shared is knowledge multiplied. Remember, every problem is an opportunity for creative thinking. So get started and don't forget to subscribe for more insights.